Hey curious people, I'm back out in the workshop, just pottering really. Got a few different little bits and pieces I can do. That was a kettle because it's got the nice brass in there. It's processing further. It is quite chilly out here actually. I might put my gloves on. It's a remembrance day today, so I will be stopping to do a 2-minute silence. Yeah, so I think maybe I'll take apart that huge DVD that I got in the skip. It's a real chunky thing. Oh, I'm just tripping over those aluminium LED floodlights. It's I keep saying the wrong word. How people have the patience to watch me when I get my stuff muddled up all the time, I don't know, but that's newbies for you, hey? So yeah, cast aluminium, not extruded, and I actually know the difference as well. I think I just get extruded in my brain, and I'm like, extruded aluminium. Everything's extruded. So yeah, I have the other cast aluminium light to do, and I might do that later. I won't do that on camera though. You've seen me do one of those. I don't want to get a bit monotonous and boring. Oh, I've still got this surprise box to open and go through. I know it's routers, but I don't know what sort of routers. I'll have a look, and then I must get around to that strimmer motor as well. So this was my first ever pinch from a skip find. So it's a Panasonic, as you can see. There's quite a lot to this. So it's that explains it. It's a DVD home theatre sound system. Well, no wonder it's got more to it than what I would expect for an ordinary DVD. You can see there's a big old fan in there, and it's got all these switches at the back. It's still old though. It's got no HDMI. So yeah, I thought this would be quite an interesting one to have a look at actually. Just must keep an eye on the time. Okay, right. Let's have a little look. Am I lucky enough to have the right bit on here? Yep. Wonderful. Nope. Oh, come on. It's very annoying. They're in so... There we go. Some of them are just so tight. I just have to pop them off. It's the fan. Come on. Gotcha. And you. And you. Perseverance. Let's see this. And you. Not quite. Oh, humbling day. Always puts things into perspective, I feel. I kind of feel like that about the pandemic as well. Is just try to, you know, get it in perspective. Just get on the best you can, and it will be over. It will be over at some point. Now, where's my little magnetic friend to quickly get my screws? I might just do it this way. There we go. They can be stuck underneath for now. Yeah, hopefully. How's that camera angle? The light's not quite as good today because it's a really miserable rainy day. Well, foggy rainy, not rain, but it could be better. It's very fresh though. It does feel very fresh out there, and I'm just loving the fact that I can come up here. So my husband's working from home. He's a key worker too, but he's based from home, and then when he gets called out he goes. But it just means it's a bit difficult to do any kind of scrapping or video and stuff inside when he's trying to work in there as well. So yeah, this is best for both of us really. Right. No, I don't think this is the right. What have we got there? I might be able to do that one with this by hand. Yeah. Wonderful. Oh, I can already. I'm treading on a screw. I wonder if my magnetic friend is in here. So I did actually order. I could be repeating myself. I do apologise if I'm repeating myself. No, it's not in there. I did order one of those amazing magnetic things that Raphael Scrapper's got. Oh, do you know what? I just found the MOSFET that I lost yesterday. I knew there was another one. I saw it back on the video. Oh, the video where I kept getting the aluminium wrong. Very frustrating. And I could see it just down here on the bench. But obviously, I couldn't see that under my camera. And then it was gone. But then, there we are. It's on the floor. Anyway, sorry, I digress. Yeah, so I ordered one of those big magnets that you could just use the release button. I mean, every time I see Raphael use that, I think, oh my life, that's literally amazing. But Amazon keeps putting back the delivery to now it's an unknown. So who knows if I'm even going to get it, to be honest. Let's see. So I had a little peruse this morning on the school run. Had a bit of a nightmare school run. Not going to lie, that was stressful. But afterwards I saw loads of things. And of course I didn't have any cutters in my car. And I thought, oh no, I'm going to find something really good here. I know it. And I've got no tools or anything in my car to do anything with it. But I definitely found the good place to go. I saw loads of things this morning that should not be out, and I thought this is the place to come on a Wednesday. Have I missed? Oh, I missed one. To get some good bits. Here we go. Oh, there's still a DVD in it. All right, so chunky bit of steel there. It's actually quite heavy. Where did I put the that magnet? Oh, I don't know, get another one. It's not like I haven't got a big enough supply over here. Oh, yeah, it's nice and heavy. Chuck that down there though, because I'm not. Okay. That's magnetic. There's a tinge of gold to these pins here, but very low quality. Nothing to write home about. Tiny bit of wiring. The fan is just clipped in. Oh, fingers and thumbs today. Just got to pop it out of these clips here. So there'll be a tiny little motor in there. Some nice. This looks very old in here. Some nice heat sinks. Quite a few. There's another fan here. Curious. I wonder what the DVD is. I wonder. Right, I'm just going to pause here and do the 2-minute silence. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Just stood in the doorway to reflect. Right, another little tiny fan. Let's see what it says. Brushless DC fan. Okay. Let's see now. Oh, there it is. Found you. Just seeing, sometimes they have a screw underneath, but they don't. Oh, 2 side ones as well. Right, so I've just got to now somehow release the DVD. Just get the pins out for now. Oh yeah, so does anybody know, can you get silver ribbon like you can with the gold? Because I'm really not sure. Some of the ribbon looks so pure that I do question, but I have no idea. So if anybody knows what the silver coloured white metal colour is in the ribbon, can you just pop it in the comments for me so that I can be educated on something new. Right, I need my long bit to get down in there. It's dark. Aha, yes. That came in handy, that light. Is that all the way out? Not sure. Yes, I think so. Is there anything underneath clipping it in? So it's just got these oh, it's a Thunderbirds DVD. Wasn't quite out, it is now. Okay. There's going to be some more somewhere. Oh, I'll come back to it. I'll come back to that. Right. So just leave this long one on. there's 1, 2. There won't just be 2. 3. 3's an odd number. Okay. Oh, there is just 3. I'm surprised. Okay. Look at the underside here. Look at all this soldering. Okay, so we've got some ICs. These, what does that say? It's upside down. Basically just a load of part number letters and code. Okay, so let's get these ribbons off. They can get in the way, they're quite annoying. So there's just a brown board in here. So nothing too amazing there. So what do I want off this board? I want a transformer for the copper. There's a small one in there. These copper spools here, obviously. We've got more copper here, all the way down. That'll add up to a nice little handful. There'll be MOSFETs here, here, here. Now, this is interesting, this one here. This heat sink. What have they got? More here, and they'll have... See, these ones here have MOSFETs. You can't really see them, but that's what they are. They're down here. They contain a copper plate inside. So that's also good for copper recovery, which is nice. Yeah, loads of MOSFETs on there. Okay, so there's a big, well, not big, but small but chunky IC there and there. And then there's lots of ferrite. Is that, I believe this is ferrite. Could be wrong. Tell me if I am. That looks like a ferrite one as well, but I've never seen that before. I don't know, it's not. I think it just looks like it. And here and here. So that's interesting. That's new to me. Blue M&Ms. There's a fuse if you do collect the fuses for silver recovery. This is a little tiny add-on board there. Must have been for some of the switches or something. Oh, these magnets testing my muscles. Very strong. Very strong indeed. They're not the ones I want. They're the ones I want. Get as much off as possible, as low to the board as possible. So, more miscellaneous wire. All those random switches there, look. It's heavy, you know. These are quite heavy heat sinks, and most of the weight will be in that transformer there. But yeah, interesting. Just gonna, you can see I'm just basically, this is one I got the other day. This was a nice gaming PC. I love the blue aluminium heat sinks on this. And the little RAM heatsink covers. I'm actually going to nick those off for my son. CPU is nothing spectacular. Well, I mean, it's got obviously the nice gold pins on it. I could quickly show you, I suppose. It's just an i3. There we are. You can see the damage here to the pins. That's probably part of the issue with this board, I'm not sure. But this was a free cycle pickup actually. So that was quite exciting. Let's just keep the CPU out. Yeah, i3, Intel. Anyway, got distracted again, easily done. And then obviously there's some little boardy bits there. Not quite. Switches. It's a rather familiar noise when you watch my videos, that where I don't quite, the drill doesn't, or the screwdriver doesn't quite get them. Okay, might be able to pop it out, or it might be a bit more awkward. Oh, this is holding it in, is it? Yeah, the board actually goes behind those. If I could just get to the release mechanism, I can release this door. There we go. Gotcha. All right. Panasonic chip here. And some more ICs on that little board. There's obviously a laser in there. Thunderbirds, not for rental. Feel like going and posting it back through their door. Got your DVD out. They're probably not bothered. Yeah, maybe if I pass. Tempting. Okay, so yeah, you've got the motor, a little bit of copper in there. In for a penny while we're here. There we are. Oh, ooh. Okay. Crystal there. And some more. ICs, chips. Also got a little layer of gold pins there on that one. So, not bad. The teeny weeny. Oh, there we are. Little motor that drives the door. So I'll have that. Okay. More ribbon. Gosh, that's in there. That is in there. So I'd quite like that little mechanism. So these are always clipped in like 100 different places. Oh, gotcha. Luckily that's old and brittle, so that just pops out quite easily. Sometimes they're a bit of a beast. So this rod, sometimes you're lucky and it'll be, no, still. Yeah, still, so forget that, nothing good there. So yeah, see this little copper here, and then around the laser there's a little bit of copper. I suspect there could be a few little bits of brass in there maybe. You can see the mechanism turning. Brilliant. There's another motor here actually. Right, I'm going to do it the brute force way. There we are. That might be some sort of, oh, there is a slight magnetic pull there actually. Yeah. Alright, forget that. There we are then. Check everything. They are quite handy though, those little spaces, so out there. Okie dokie. Gonna need my little teeny weeny this is the one. Nice. Again, sometimes I keep these because, I don't know, it's just a handy little piece of steel. I don't know what it would be handy for, but I'm sure at some point that will come in handy. See, this would normally go in my process for later pile, but I'm pottering today, so when pottering I have the luxury of doing what I want. There we go. Right. Ooh. Looks like a nice bit of brass under that laser, under there. Okay. There's copper in that. Copper flashing in that tiny bit board though. How that would be processed, I don't know. But I do want this brass plate under here. Fascinates me how all this stuff is put together. So intricate, all these little tiny, tiny pieces. I'm sensing it's time. Oh, it's not time. Thought it was hammer time, guys. Okay, there we go. It's a bit like coppery brass, actually. I'm now thinking, you're not fake brass, are you? Oh no, it's magnetic. Ah, it's that's drawing. This bit is actually brass or coppery brass. This is like just an orange tinge to it. I think there's just a bit more copper in there than standard. Let's have a see if I can get this bit off. Cute little magnet though. Oh, strong. And with the magnets. Bing. Okay. Okay, I'm done with this now. It's taking too long. I'll put it in there. More copper in here, look. More aluminium. Okay. Sweet. Oh yeah. There's that other motor as well. You know what the other thing is? Micro scrapping is messy. Well, scrapping in general is messy. And yeah, messy business. It's just like it's fixed into this plate. No wonder I couldn't pop it out. Alright. Right, so that, oh, hang on. Forgot about these little bits at the back here. Well, I mean, this is just nothing here, but I'll get it off anyway. Oh, hey, Mr. Spider. Oh. Let's leave you to go find somewhere else to hide. Come back to that later. Alright. Some more ribbon. So weak. I've never even cut the pull the ribbon off. LEDs. Well, display in there. Chip. There we are, 26th of July 2000. 20 years old, guys. Wow. Can't see the gold there, but again, more chip. So there we are. That was a bit of a random one, wasn't it? Quite nice though. Let's see what else I can potter with. Maybe I should go and get a nice warm cup of tea first. Clear this mess up. Alright, I'll catch you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.